Hi students, good afternoon. So let's start the analysis of the third shift. See students, third shift they have just come out. Now it's 3:15 time. Due to heavy rain, it is raining heavily there. We got feedback little delayed. Okay. Anyway, this time we got the perfect number also. Alright, so let's start with the reasoning. First in reasoning from puzzle and seating arrangement. Okay. Puzzle and seating arrangement, we got 20 questions. For all the three shifts today, they have given 20 questions. Then in this shift also, like this second shift, we got Shilloism 5 questions. Okay. Next one is coding, decoding also 5 questions. Simple one. 5 questions. Then followed by what exactly they have given? Direction sense 3 questions. And 2 questions are miscellaneous questions. 2. 5, 10, 15 and 20, total 35 questions. Okay. Now, see students, as far as the feedback I got from the students, they have given very clearly that we can do up to 30 questions they have given. Up to 30 in the stipulated 20 minutes time. But let me examine this one as far as my analysis is concerned. If you go for the paper, the questions also, this time we got even the questions also, what type of questions they have given. See in puzzle, floor based 1 question they have given. Under that 5 questions are there, floor based 1, but in a different way. Different way in the sense, this is different from the previous 2 sessions. Alright, in the second session also they have given questions from floor based. But here, it's a little different one. We have discussed this one in our course in puzzle test lesson 12 or 13, I can't recollect this one, or even in 5th lesson also. One column is floor, other column is like, this is given like 5 floored building they have given, but blocks are only 2 blocks they have given, right, and 1 more parameter. So anyway, the puzzle is based on floor, but they have given a little different way. Alright, next, that's very easy to crack this question. Next one, linear base they have given north and south facing from seating arrangement. Then circular seating arrangement they have given. Next followed by 1 more puzzle. So 2 questions are from puzzle, 2 questions are from seating arrangement. As far as seating arrangement is concerned, they have given 6 persons around a circle, all are facing center they have given, but 1 more parameter they have given, that is based on the age also. Age in this case you have to go for circle 1 arrangement, then followed by age on the other side, the comparison will be there. Comparison. Okay, only 6 persons are there. This is also very easier one. Okay, then go for linear line based north and south. You can do it easily. Even that's also simple one they have given. And total number of persons 14. One student had sent 14 persons are there. The other had sent 12 persons are there. Anyway, students, it's not a big one. Okay. But here 14 persons one student sent 2 lines are there. Other students sent that 6 persons on 1 line or 8 persons. Anyway students, that is based on lines, linear one. Next one is weeks, number of weeks and days puzzle. That's also very simple. And coming to this directions, this time they have given very easily. Only 3 lines they have given, 3 lines. A little puzzle is also there. One person is seated north, south, right, east, west, then 1 person is leaving in between 2 persons, 1 more person is there. In that way they have given, but it's a very simple one. And Shilloism anyway 5 out of 5 you can do. Alright, then coding, decoding also simple coding, decoding. Alright, now as far as the analysis is concerned, I can say here not 30 questions, an average student. I'm talking from the average student side. You can do 25 to 30 questions. 25 to 30 in 20 minutes, because these 2 miscellaneous questions are very simple. In 30 seconds you can do 1 question. Alright, so one is based on words, one is based on numbers. So these 2 anyway you can do. Shilloism within a maximum of 3 minutes you can do 5 out of 5. Even this one also. So for that reason I am saying this reasoning paper is quite easier when compared to the previous 2 sessions. So roughly we can say 25 to 30 questions from reasoning section. Okay, now coming to quantitative aptitude, you just go for quantitative aptitude. This time simple questions are there from quant also. Then the level, I can say the level is easy to moderate. Easy to moderate. Moderate, why? Because one puzzle is very tough. That's the reason why I can consider this one as easy to moderate. Alright, now coming to quantitative aptitude students, this time they have given 15 questions from DI. In the second shift they have given only 10 questions from DI. Now they have given 15 questions from DI. That too very simple DI, that is one DI is based on partnership. Within seconds you can do those questions. Alright, so I'll tell you one by one. First DI 15 questions, then followed by approximation also they have given 5 questions, number series 5 questions, miscellaneous 10 questions. It's a simple paper, right? So here DI total 15 questions they have given, approximation 5 questions, then number series 5 questions, 20 questions are 25 are over. So then arithmetic questions, remaining arithmetic 10 questions, 10, 20, 30, 35 questions are there. Alright, see students, here for DI questions, 3 questions. One question is based on partnership. Okay. Other question is based on a table. They have given a table here. This simple one. They have given ratios here. Ratio between the number of boys and girls. Okay, ratios. Then followed by bar graph. One bar graph. Some students have told that bar graph is based on profits. Some told that bar graph based on expenses. I don't know that one, whether it is profit or expenses only, that is heading only, numbers will be the same. So like we can consider that one as easy. Number series, 3 questions were very simple. By seeing the questions you can answer it. Alright, so number series be very simple. 2 questions are little typical, all are from missing numbers only, no wrong number series here. In arithmetic also, very simple questions students. 1 question from partnership, again 1 from boards and streams, mixture and alligation 1, mensuration 1, ages 1, then followed by, that's all. This is the feedback I got from them. Ages 1 question, time and work 1 question, time and work 1. So overall students, I can say for this one, this quant, I can say, where we have written this one, the right attempt from quant is, I have written here, from quant easily you can do up to 26 or 27 questions. So right attempt is here also, I can say from 25 to 27 we can take. 25 to 27 because some questions are time consuming, particularly here. Even though these questions are easier, little tricky way they have given. For that reason, time consuming, but one good thing students, out of 10 questions, almost 6 questions can be solved with the unitary method. I have given you unitary method, almost 6 questions can be very easily solved. Some remaining like 4 or 5 questions are a little tricky, time consuming. For that reason only, those students who have attempted this one, considering them also, I have given this one as 25 to 27. It's a good attempt as far as quant is concerned. And overall we can take this one as an easy to moderate one. Easy to moderate, right? Now coming to English section, this time students in English, one second, I have written the numbers here. English, the good score is saying 21 to 23. 21 to 23, but what are the questions in English? Yeah, in English, this time they have given parajumble. Okay. Now, in English section, reading comprehension, they have given 9 to 10 questions. Like the previous shift, reading comprehension, 9 to 10. Out of this 9 to 10, synonyms were there and antonyms are also there. That too, these synonyms and antonyms are, they have used very like easy words as far as vocabulary is concerned, not very difficult words, right? If you read the passage logically, you can solve this one. Then followed by error detection 5. That too, error detection they have given most conventional way. You can get 5 out of 5. One part of the, like they have made into 5 parts. One part like AR1, then second part third part, and so on. In which part the mistake is there, error is there, you have to detect it. Followed by fillers, they have given fillers. How many fill in the blanks they have given? That fillers, some have written 3, 4, 5. Let us take it as 4 to 5. 4 to 5 questions from fillers. Error detection is over. Then para jumbled also, here rearrangement of the sentences. 5 questions they have given, and this time one good thing is that we have discussed all questions of this sort, right? Many models we have discussed. This time the last sentence they have kept as it is, last sentence, right? Suppose A, B, C, D, E are there. Sentence E they have kept in this way. This is the last one. Only you have to arrange these 4. With this one, what is there, students? There is an advantage for you. You have a clue here. Anyway, this is going to be the last one. So you can easily arrange this one. 5 out of 5 can be correct. How many are there? If you take this one as a 10, this is 5. 15 plus 5, 20 plus 5, 25. And the remaining questions are word replacement also. Word replacement, they have given 4 to 6 questions, right? So suppose this is 10, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 10, 30. Roughly I have given here. That's all. Reading comprehension, sentence rearrangement means that is a jumbled sentence. Then fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks means that is fillers. Then error detection. Then replacement of the word. Right. So overall, students, I can say for reasoning, quant and English, the good attempt can be, we can take it as a 65 to 70. We can take 65 to 70 overall 65 to 70. Okay, anyway, what we are going to do, students, after finishing off the 4th shift today, by tonight or latest by tomorrow morning, I'll try my best to collect the questions based on the memory. And I appeal the students who are watching this video and our students also, you please send your feedback, because from that feedback also we can come to a conclusion. Because all these things are only, what is that one, analysis based only. We cannot give you 100% assurance, but certainly it is between 65 to 70 is the good attempt. That is for sure. That is for 100%, right? To get more accuracy, what we are going to do, I have deployed some faculty there at the centers. Alright, some students are giving the feedback, different types of students. I am just combining all the things and coming to a conclusion, trying to come into a conclusion. Alright, so I request you students also, you do one thing, you please send us your feedback. Memory based questions are what type of questions you got in your exam after finishing off your shift. You please send that one to Chakravarthy Chakravarthy sir at gmail.com. You please mention the shift number also. In the first shift I have attempted and these are the questions. So please send that one, I request you, because that's going to be useful for many other students as well. Or directly you can send that one by WhatsApp to 9515 986872 or 961870246. Okay, you place these are the WhatsApp numbers for you. Alright, this is direct mail ID. You please share your questions so that I'll try to give the analysis to the 100% extent, right? Anyway, thank you very much, students. Anyway, first shift, second and third. 3 shifts are not very difficult. We can categorize that one as easy only. So around 65 to 70 or 71 is my expected cutoff for these 3 shifts. Okay. Anyway, after finishing off this 4th shift, I'll give you the actual questions based on the memory. And tomorrow, after finishing off all the shifts, we will come to a conclusion and I'll give you the perfect cutoff figure based on all 8 shifts. Thank you very much, students.